bring it up to pinwheel, come down on the left, and chase the sun up, over, wrap up the poi. You're in short poi. Plane shift it down onto the right hand. Bring it into the inside corkscrew. Turn to the left with it. And now spread your arms in snake charmer. Close your arms. Open your arms. Close your arms. Now reverse your body. Keep the poi doing the same thing. So you're opening and closing your arms into and out of the snake charmer to the regular inside corkscrew. Come back to your front. And then come back into the corkscrew. Release it into regular length. Now sync up the timing again. Come underneath the left leg, then the right leg, back up over the top, under the left leg, the right leg, back up over the top. Third time, left leg, right leg, back up over the top. Fourth time, under the left, under the right, up into the corkscrew, split the time, plane shift it up, come up into pinwheel, then make an extension 3 and 2 and 1, and then right turn 360 on this fourth one here, all the way around, back to your pinwheel, come down into overhand giant on the left, swivel to underhand giant on the right, overhand giant on the left, underhand giant on the right, and now we'll just do the swivel facing the front, 4 and 3 and 2 and 1, and chase the sun, bring it down into the hip roll, split time, and same time, split time, and same time, and split time, and same time, and split time. Bring it up into the pinwheel, bring it down to the hip rail, bring it up into the pinwheel, bring it down into the hip rail, up to the pinwheel, down to the hip rail, up to the pinwheel, down to the hip rail. Now sync it up again, back into chase the sun, and then sweep up over the top, come into your buzzsaw again. Now plane shift it down on top of the left arm, turning clockwise in your buzzsaw, coming around, coming around, coming around. Now turn against it. This one's the harder one. We're turning against it, come back to the front, and tap on your right hip. Release as you come up and over, tap on your left hip, up and over, tap on your right hip, up and over, tap on your left hip. Now we're going to turn as we come up, over, down, around, tap on the right, up, over, turn, around, tap on the left, up and over, turn, around, tap, and up, over, turn, around, and tap. Now add the jump. We're going to turn, jump, and turn, and jump, and turn, and jump, and one more time, turn, and jump, up into the clockwise pinwheel, corkscrew, and turning to the right, and now turning to the left. And now we're going to turn this one into the sprinkler here. This is your weaker sprinkler, the clockwise one. Apparently it's my weaker one right now too. I keep hitting my left arm. Okay, and now we're going to turn to the right, 360. Come back to here and back into the sprinkler. And 2, and 3, and 4. Another 360. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. One more 360. And then sprinkle, and sprinkle. Third one, fourth one more 360 to the right. Now come all the way to this right side here, and then back into your sprinkler. And then we're going to anti-spin to face 180 degrees away on this side, and sprinkler, sprinkler, sprinkler. And now we're using the anti-spin and turning left to the other side, back where we started. Sprinkler, 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 sprinkler. Now anti-spin to the other side, and sprinkler, 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 sprinkler. Go to the other side. Sprinkler, 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 sprinkler. One more time to the left, and sprinkler, 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 and one more time to the left, back where you were on this side here, and turn it into the clockwise corkscrew. Turn to the right, returning to the right. We're plane shifting it up, back up into pinwheel. Now go into the other time, and make a big 3 while you move to the left, and 2, and 1. Now down, stall, and kick. Boom. Go the other way, and 3, and 2, and 1, and down, and stall, and kick to the right. And again, 3, 2, 1, and we're gonna go down and stall and kick to the left, and one more time to the right, 3, and 2, and 1, down and stall and kick to the right, back up into clockwise, split the time, make it big, make it big, make it big, and now we're gonna do a 360, turning left, back to the pinwheel, turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave. Now do a big extension going back to overhand. So come down low, low, low across the bottom, big extension back to overhand, low, low, low across the bottom, reach up, big extension back to overhand, low, low, low across the bottom, big extension back, and last time low, and big extension across the top, back to overhand weave, open it up, double stall between your legs, switch direction, come up over the top, overhand weave on the left. We'll do the same fountain and counterclockwise. Sorry, need to take a breath, so much talking. Okay, overhand weave on this side and underhand on the right, overhand on the left, underhand on the right, overhand on the left, underhand on the right, and then we're gonna come low across the bottom, from the left to the right, and then extension from the right to the left, and then low across the bottom, and then extension from the right to the left. Third time, come low across the bottom, extend across the top, and low across the bottom, extend across the top, back to overhand weave, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, turn right to underhand weave, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, and open it up, same time, wrap it up, make it small, come into your underhand buzzsaw. And now we're gonna extend on the right, and extend on the left, and extend on the right. You're doing a takeout, you're coming out. If you looked at it from this angle, you're coming out of the buzzsaw, doing a big circle, and then coming back in, out of the buzzsaw, big circle, back in, out of the buzzsaw, big circle, back in, out, and back in. So we're underhand, right out, back to buzzsaw, left out, back to buzzsaw, right out, back to buzzsaw, left out, back to buzzsaw. 4 more, right side, 3 more, left side, right side, and then last one, left side. And now extend your left one over the top, extend your right one over the top. You're in an overhand buzzsaw on the left side now. Now we'll do the same thing, only from overhand. Extend left, back to buzzsaw, then right to buzzsaw, left to buzzsaw, right to buzzsaw, left to buzzsaw, right to buzzsaw, left to buzzsaw, right to buzzsaw, and then wrap it up on your hands. And woohoo!